Let us discuss DSV files in Java, that is Delimiter Separated Values file. That is the values separated by a delimiter. Here we are using a colon as a delimiter. Okay, it's for a format of a line in this file will be data1 colon, data2 colon, data3 like that. Okay, we are including all the classes of package IO and IoT. DDSV.java is the file name. Then inside the main program, we are declaring a string variable file. Its value is the text file. It's our data file. Okay, it's a text file. Then scanner class and an input stream reference variable is. Then a file writer FW. Then the new line character. Okay, we have already discussed new line character is not platform independent. So we have to collect what is the new line character used in the system on which the program is running. So this line separator method is used. Then after that, we have a text file with this name data.dsv.txt. DSV means delimiter separated values. Read the file, okay, file content and display that. Okay. So CS2 is the scanner object. In this scanner, this constructor, we are passing this IS. IS is nothing but the file input stream. Then CS2 dot hash next line. That is this while loop will work until there is no lines in the file. That is data.dsv.txt. So no lines in this file to read. Okay, after reading a line, in this line it reads a line from the file. This function will check is there any file, no, not file, is there any lines remaining in that file to read. Okay, and this function, this method reads the line from the file. Okay, and into the red line it will be stored in string variable is. Okay, it is printed on the console. Okay, system.out print line is. Okay, so this while loop will repeat until there is no line to read. Then all these statements should be inside the try catch statement. Okay, suppose this file is not present. Okay, this file does not exist. So it will create an exception, that is file not found. So it will print creating the file with new data. Okay, in that subsequent lines we are entering some data. Okay, so if the file does not exist, it will read data and create the file. Okay, if the file present, it will read the file and display the contents. Okay, so it is like simply a file reading. Okay, reading lines from a file. Okay, and at the next line it will append data to uh, the file. Okay, the file is not existing. This program will create the file and add the lines read to the file. If file exists with some data, the data read will be appended. Then here, we are reading some data and trying to write to the file. Okay, here entering name. So this is name and mobile number. Okay, it is the data of this DSV file. It is the format is name colon mobile number. Okay, so we will be reading this mobile number. This mobile number is treated as text or a string. Okay, then we are reading the name and mobile number. Then we will form the new data equal to name colon mobile number. We are forming it in DSV format. Then we will print on the console. Then inside this try catch statement, we will create a new file writer, and this true. The constructor has two arguments: the file to which we want to write. Then true means we are appending. Okay. So this constructor has two arguments. This two indicates we are appending the data. Okay. Then after that, fw dot write new data, and we are writing the new line. See this new line. It is the output of system dot line separator method. Okay. Here the new line. Then after writing this data, we are closing the file. And here in this reading, this is is input stream reference variable. So this is equal to file input stream, our file dsv data dsv.txt. Here this is input stream is the superclass of file input stream. So is a superclass reference variable. It can refer a subclass object. A superclass reference variable can refer a subclass object. So that is happening here. So let us compile and run this program. JAVA-DSV Okay, there are two lines in that file. So they are displayed on the console. Then it is asking for the name. Enter the name David and phone number 9087654. So this new data in DSV format is displayed there. Okay, let us see the content of that file now. Data.dsv.txt. There were two lines in that file. Now we have added one file. So David and his phone number will be the last data. Let us check it. See, there are three lines. So this is simply reading and writing lines from a file. Next we are going to separate the data fields. And next we will see how to separate the fields. Okay. So here in this while loop, it is reading the lines from the file. Okay. The line is a colon separated data. So here the function string dot split is used. Here this is the regular expression, simply our colon, the delimiter. Okay. Then 2 is the limit, that means separate only two fields. If the line has more fields, okay, take only two. Then here we have written a equal to s dot split, then our delimiter comma 2. Okay. What is a? Okay. So this split method splits a string into an array of substrings using a regular expression as separator. Okay. The a limit is also specified. So this much fields will be separated and stored in this array. A0 will be the first field, A1 will be the second field. Then after that we are printing it. Okay, our name, it is A0, mobile number is A1. Okay, so the additional lines here run is first one, this string A, an array with size 10. Then these two lines, A is equal to s dot split regular expression or the delimiter colon comma 2, then these lines. Okay. Let us run this program. Okay, let us compile this file JAVAC Java compiler. DDSV.java. We compile without any error. Java DDSV. Okay. It has printed the lines. So this is the line read from the file and it is separated. Okay, this is the last line. So 1, 2, 3, 4 lines were there. And then it is asking for the new name. Um, okay, we have added a new line. Let us check the content of the file. Okay, these are the contents. Okay, once again, let us run this program. Okay, Nisha, the last name we have entered, it is there. It is asking for the next name. Okay, this way we can handle the delimiter separated files. This is the delimiter separated file, our data file.